Let's get an expert opinion. You like my nails, Diva? You like my nails? Diva, you like my nails, girl? Huh? Diva? Diva? You like my nails? You like my nails? You ain't even looking. Do you like my nails? Do you like my nails? Huh? Do you like my nails, girl? You like them? Diva? Diva? Do you like them? Do you like them?
Don't you stop loving me, loving me, loving me. Look at all this time we have going through it with your dad. I'ma leave it in the past for you, past for you, past. Always
Okay, so today, y'all, I'm about to try to do my own acrylic nails. I haven't had my nails done in like 2 years. Like when I found out I was pregnant, I tried to get my nails done. I couldn't get them done because the smell in the nail shop was just making me sick. So I just never went back to get my nails done. I don't know why. But I bought these and I'm gonna try to do my own nails. We're gonna see how this come out. I watched my grandma do her own nails for years, so I'm pretty sure I can do it. Her nails used to be raw, y'all. Like it used to be like she went to the shop. But I'm gonna try these. We're gonna see. It's like 40 nails in here. The French, I mean the French and the natural. So I am gonna try these. I already like got my nails together, so I'm gonna glue the tips on. I don't know if I'm gonna just like be recording the whole thing or just come back and forth showing y'all what I did. I don't know. We're gonna see if I can do this though. Y'all, I got one hand done. They not gonna be perfect because it's my first time doing this. So yeah, I got one hand done. It look good. So I'm gonna try to do the other one. So we're gonna see how this one come out. Okay, y'all, I got both hands done. It was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it was pretty easy. But we're gonna see how it is putting acrylic on. It was pretty easy. So I'm gonna just cut them to how I want them. I think I'm gonna cut them short. I don't know, but I'm gonna cut them to how I want them. Then I'm gonna start trying to put the acrylic on. But it seems pretty easy. So we gonna see if I can do this. Y'all, I done cut them and filed them down how I want them. So I'm gonna do the acrylic. Yeah, put the acrylic on there. Look kind of weird, but for this being my first time, I think I did good. The acrylic is really strong, so I had to get a mask. Found a mask, but this is how they look. Sorry. This is how they look. So I'm gonna try to do the other hand. And this hand might be kind of hard to do, but I'm gonna try it. So yeah. Okay, y'all, this hand is like jacked. Like, look at that. It's beat. It's beat. It is beat. But hopefully, like, when I file it, it'll look better. But this hand is beat. But I do have the acrylic on both hands. This one looked pretty to me. It's not the best. It's my first time. And plus, this is, you know, just some store-bought stuff. So it's not going to be, like, perfect. But, yeah. For this being my first time, I think I'm doing pretty good. Like, I think I'm doing pretty good. So y'all just got to file it down, shape it however I want to shape it. Then I'm going to polish it. So, yeah. I'm geeking. I got acrylics. Wait. Wait. I got acrylics. What? No. I'm finished. They look ghetto, but it's my first time I did it myself. So, yeah. This hand look way worse than the other one. But this is how it looks. I'm satisfied with it. I guess these gonna be my birthday nails. I don't know. My birthday is Monday, by the way. But yeah, my birthday Monday. And I'm not wearing pink or anything. I just did pink because I've been loving this polish, so. But yeah. Yeah, I watched my grandma do her nails for years. She didn't use acrylic or nothing. She used to just buy the nails and glue the nails on and polish them. And they used to be looking so cute. So, I knew I was going to be able to do it. I just have to keep practicing and practicing. And I'll get better with this hand. You know, practice, make it perfect. So, yeah. But this is how they look. I'm geek. I just did my own acrylics. Like, what? What? Nails by Shay. Book me, period. But yeah. And I just learned how to do my own individuals. So, Lashes by Shay. Book me, period. No, I'm just playing though, y'all. But I know how to do my own everything now. I've been know how to do my own eyelashes. My own eyebrows. I've been know how to do my own sew-ins and wigs and stuff. So this was just a bonus, an extra or whatever. No, I'm just playing, but yeah. I only go to the nail shop to get them to shape my eyebrows. Other than that, I know how to do my own eyebrows. So every once in a while I go to the nail shop for my eyebrows. But yeah, I'm so like happy with my nails. They're not perfect or anything. It's my first time. So I think they came out good for this being my first time. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share my channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try the nails. Let me know how I did, because I think I did good for my first time. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.